What's good with the gang? It's your boy GTB Quiet back with another video. Today we about to be making some jailhouse burritos.
On a whole different level, the fuck is you doing? It's time to get back in the motion. I need a promotion. Trying to
get them tortillas out. We got them big tortillas. I'm talking about them real big tortillas. So you know everything right here about to fit all up in here. So let's get started. What you want to do is see these noodles. I got the chili. These are chili flavor. The chili flavor is a good flavor. For real, for real. It's the good flavor. So what you want to do is go ahead and crush that thing up. So we got two noodles out. We're going to use it for two different things. Now that your noodles is crushed up, put them to the side real quick. Alright. You ever had these? You can use any kind of these. I like to use these because these is the best kind for these pretzels. So let's get into it. What you want to do is roll this bag up. All you need is this much. All you need is this much right here. This much. That's all you need is this much right here. Right here. That's it. Get you something real hard. Get you something real hard. And crush them down until it's dust. If you're new to this channel, you might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell for post notifications, and turn your notifications on. Also, I got a jailhouse cake in my videos, so look for that. After you watch this video, you'll learn how to make a cake out of $5. We're gonna go ahead and open our Cheetos. You can use either the hot Cheetos or the cheese Cheetos. I'm gonna use the cheese Cheetos today. You're gonna open your bag of pretzels, and we're gonna pour some of these Cheetos inside this bag. Crush it till it's dust. That thing up. See what that thing looking like? Straight dust. Look, y'all see it? Hold on, can y'all see it? Let me see. You look all up in there, nothing but dust. Yeah. You need the Doritos. These are the only kind of Doritos you should use unless they got jalapeno Doritos too. Go ahead and pour some of those in there. Just crush those out with your hand. So I found a bigger chip bag. I'm gonna use this big chip bag. And they got a clear thing in it so you guys can see what's in my chip bag. So I'm going to go ahead and pour these inside of this chip bag. Open up them noodles. Take that seasoning packet out. Go ahead and dump them noodles right on in there. Yup, dry and all. Go ahead and open up your second pack of oodles and noodles. Find that seasoning packet, take that out. Next, what you're gonna do is get you a cup of water. Get you a cup of water, a little cup of water. Go ahead and mix everything around. Make sure your chips, all three of your chips and your noodles is mixed up very well. I don't got no sausages or nothing because like I told you guys before, I stopped eating meat. So get your chili packets or whatever flavor noodles you got. Get your noodle packet. Open that bag back up and pour it in there. Go ahead and roll that bag up. Then what you want to do is take this bag and put it to the side. Get a bowl. Get you a small bowl, cereal sized bowl. Get you a can of tuna. You're gonna need a can of tuna and water or however you like it. Get you some yellow mustard and a little bit of honey mustard and a little bit of mayo. So go ahead and rinse that out. Open that can up. Get all that meat, all that fish out. You only need 1 can. Don't use 2 cans, cause then it's gonna start tasting real iffy. You hear me? Your honey mustard. Shake that up just a little bit. You just need a little bit, cause that little bit of taste gonna bust right out. I promise you. Go ahead and give it 3-4 drops, real quick. And get your yellow mustard. Go ahead and pour that thing. Do a swizzle. Do a swizzle. Go ahead and pour just a little bit of 6 drops of mayo in it, especially if you got the mayo like this. But if you got a spoon, go ahead and do like 3 teaspoons. Mix that up real quick. I'm telling you, you don't need a lot of mayo or mustard nor honey mustard inside of here. Go ahead and grab your bag again. Make sure your water is out of the way so you don't spill it. Put this back up here because I don't need that. Open your bag up and start putting the tuna in it. Go ahead and open your bag up and start putting the tuna in there. So now that that's in there, roll your bag up. And swindle that thing around. Right? Alright, here's the important part, y'all. The reason why I told you to get the water is because you're going to put the water inside of here. You're going to make a burrito in a bag. Do you get what I'm saying? You're going to make a burrito in a bag. I'm about to show you how to do that. You don't need a lot of water. All you need is like the same amount of water that you put inside your pancake or waffle mix to make it thick. And like not clumpy, but thick. That's the amount of water that you need. But here's the thing about the water part. Make sure your water is steaming hot. If your water is not steaming hot, you're not making a burrito. You about to make a whole soup. You're not going to make a burrito. You need hot, boiling water. You need a lot of water. So go ahead and after that is filled up, it should look like this. It should look like this for now. Because the noodles and the chips is going to suck that up and make everything clump together. But it depends on how you wrap it. So let me show you guys. You got to fold it, right? Let all the air out. All the air out. Get all the air out. Fold that thing up. Fold it up. Fold it up. Right? Fold it up. Right? You're going to need a towel. This is how we make them when we was locked up. You're going to need a towel and a rubber band. Why a rubber band? Because you're going to need to close that thing up. Go ahead and put that rubber band on around that thing. Let me wrap that thing twice so nothing come out. So what you want to do is put your towel right here. Just like this. Fold it over and roll your towel. Tuck it. Roll your towel. Tuck it. You hear me? Tuck it. Just like that. And leave that bad boy alone. Leave it just like it should look like a mini pillow sitting on your counter right now. That is finished. We gonna come back and we about to show you guys how it look. I'm about to eat some of these chips that's still left, but once it's done, it should take at least like 10, 15, 20 minutes. Leave it there for a good 20 minutes. Make sure you did not put a lot of water in it. If you put a lot of water in it, you will not get a burrito's results. I'll be back once it's done. Alright guys, so we're back and let's unroll our meal. Once your meal is done, go ahead and cut into the bag. This might fall apart because I can still see water. So maybe I messed up, but when I was in there, listen, everybody wanted my joint, you heard? If some of it broke off, I say that because that can go into your second burrito. But let me show you guys my burrito. Hold on. Can you see my burrito? Can you see how that is all sticking together? Go ahead and grab your spoon and the pieces that fell off, wipe that to the side, because you can use that in another burrito. You can use that in a whole nother taco shell. Now watch what I do. Alright, so I got it onto a plate. Go ahead and get you some cheese. So go ahead and pop that thing in the microwave. And the rest of this right here, all this right here, you can put that inside of another burrito. Go ahead and pour them chip crumbs. The rest of the chips you got in there. And mix it together. It tastes like, man, listen. If you made it the right way, it's hitting. If you ain't make it the right way, it tastes nasty to you. I'm telling you right now. Bada bang. Bada boom. And yo, burrito. Tastes a little spicy. If you got the kind that I got. That thing hit. Oh yeah. That thing hitting. Oh wait. I don't miss being locked up, but I miss these. You already like what? I ain't made these in a minute. I swear, when I came home though, for about a good 6 months, I was making these, nothing but these and cakes. If you look up right now, it'll be right there. Go ahead and check that video out as well. Oh wait. Go ahead and put that thing inside of the burrito a little bit later. Oh, that thing's so good. Whew. Oh wait, I'm gonna eat half of that now. I ain't even gonna cap. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Comment down below what else you guys want me to make that came from a jailhouse, because I got so many specialties. It's so crazy. Also, if you are new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell for post notifications. I got something on my face. Ring that bell for post notifications and turn your notifications on so you do not miss out on another video. It's your boy GTB Quiet. I'm out of here.
Both of us. Girl, what do you think about both of us? She said that this crazy as both